Amsterdam, known for its picturesque canals, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture, is a city that truly has it all. With a total population of around 850,000, it's a bustling metropolis that attracts visitors from all over the globe. One of the most striking features of Amsterdam is its climate. While it's often associated with rainy days, the city actually experiences a mild climate with temperatures ranging from 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. This makes it a perfect destination for travelers who want to explore a diverse range of activities and attractions, regardless of the season. Now, let's talk about why Amsterdam is so touristy. The city's rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture are just a few of the reasons why it's a top destination for travelers. From its world-renowned museums to its charming canals, Amsterdam offers something for everyone. Plus, its convenient location in the heart of Europe makes it a popular stop for many travelers. So, there you have it.